everybody, and welcome to our lesson number 10, how to identify feminine noun in Spanish. As we've already discussed masculine nouns identification in our last lesson, today we are going to discuss how to identify a feminine noun in Spanish. We'll be learning rules and tricks as we did in our last lesson. So, are you guys ready? Rule number 1. Nouns ending with an A are feminine in nature. Example: niña, girl; mesa, table; ventana, window. Rule number 2. Nouns ending with sion, C-I-O-N, sion, are feminine in nature. Example: canción. Last 4 letters are C-I-O-N, means song. Nación, nation. Situación, situation. Rule number 3. Nouns that are ending in sion, S-I-O-N, sion, are feminine. Example: profesión, profession; posesión, possession. Rule number 4. Nouns that end with a D are feminine in nature, ending with a D. Example: amistad, friendship; ciudad, city; voluntad, wish. Rule number 5. Nouns ending with a Z are feminine in nature. Example: paz, peace; cruise, cruise; lose, light. Rule number 6. As we discussed in our last video, here we can see again the rule has come. About 50% of the word ending with an E are feminine in nature. 50% is masculine, 50% is feminine. Rule number 7. Nouns ending with an ista, I-S-T-A, ista, are feminine in nature. Example: turista, tourist; dentista, dentist. Rule number 8. Nouns ending in ente, E-N-T-E, ente, are feminine in nature. Gerente, manager; cliente, client. Rule number 9. Nouns ending in ante are feminine in nature. Example: visitante, visitor; agente, agent. Now you must be wondering that why on the last 3 rules it is written masculine or feminine, masculine or feminine, masculine or feminine here. Simple logic here is these words are used as is in the form if it is masculine or if it is feminine. There is no change. Words ending in ista, ente, ante, they're all same words for masculine and for feminine. Like a male can also be a tourist and a female can also be a tourist. We use the same word. That's why it is written like this. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Ruko, please press the bell icon to not miss any update of our language channel Bloom Lingo, and wait for our next video as we are covering many of the concepts which will help you build your language skill. So see you soon. Bye bye.